why you need an approval rather than just a pre-qualification. Hi, we are Carlette
and Cheyenne
of the Real Estate Dream Team.
It can end up costing you a lot of money if you truly aren't qualified. We've helped save hundreds of buyers from making huge mistakes when purchasing that could cost thousands of dollars.
A pre-qualification is not a true approval. It's the initial step in the home loan process where you just discuss your financial situation with the loan officer, but nothing's verified.
The approval is where the buyer actually provides the lender with all of the necessary documentation to tell them what they are approved for, which loan product's the best option for them, and to give the buyer a better idea of the interest rate.
You want to go through the entire approval process. The lender has done things like verified your employment, seen your taxes, and looked at your bank statements. They've truly verified everything you will need in order to let you know how much they will loan you and what your payment will be.
It's essential that you do this. Otherwise, you could stand to lose your initial deposit and any money that you've spent on things like the inspections or the appraisal. Don't fall into that trap. Call us and let us walk you through the safest and most strategic way to become a homeowner. And don't forget, we're here to represent you and protect your best interest.